In a world where convenience and efficiency reign supreme, this Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender stands out as a versatile and practical solution for those seeking a healthier lifestyle on the go. With its compact design, powerful 500-watt motor, and portable 20-ounce sports bottle, this blender is perfect for anyone looking to make smoothies, shakes, and other healthy beverages with minimal effort. Let's dive into a detailed review of the Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender and see why it has become a favorite among health-conscious individuals and busy professionals alike. The Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender boasts a sleek and modern design that not only looks good on your kitchen counter, but is also highly functional. The compact size of the blender makes it easy to store, and it won't take up much space in your kitchen. The chrome accents give it a premium feel, and the overall build quality is impressive for a personal blender at this price point. One of the key features of this blender is the 20-ounce BPA-free sports bottle. This impact-resistant bottle is designed for people on the go, allowing you to blend your smoothie or shake directly in the bottle and take it with you. The sports bottle comes with measurement markers so you can easily track your portion sizes, and the spill-proof lid ensures that you won't have to worry about leaks or spills during your commute. The bottle is also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're headed to the gym, the office, or running errands, the portable bottle makes it easy to maintain your healthy routine wherever you go. Don't let the small size of the Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender fool you. This compact device packs a punch with its 500-watt motor. This level of power is more than sufficient to handle everyday blending tasks, such as making smoothies, protein shakes, and even crushing ice. The motor is strong enough to blend frozen fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get a smooth and consistent blend every time. The one-touch blending function simplifies the blending process even further. All you need to do is add your ingredients, press the button, and watch as the powerful motor quickly blends everything into a delicious and nutritious drink. This ease of use makes the MyBlend Plus an excellent choice for busy individuals who want to whip up a quick smoothie without the hassle of complicated controls. The Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender features a durable stainless steel blade that's designed to blend through tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending leafy greens, frozen berries, or ice, this blade can handle it all. The blade is also removable, making it easy to clean after each use. Simply detach the blade and rinse it under warm water, or toss it in the dishwasher for added convenience. One of the standout features of the Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender is its one-touch functionality. Unlike traditional blenders with multiple speed settings and controls, this blender simplifies the process by offering a single button for operation. This is particularly appealing for those who want a no-fuss experience when making their daily smoothie or shake. To blend, all you need to do is add your ingredients to the sports bottle, twist the bottle onto the base, and press the button. Powerful motor and stainless steel blade will do the rest, delivering a perfectly blended drink in seconds. The one-touch function is ideal for those with a busy lifestyle, as it streamlines the blending process and reduces the time spent in the kitchen. The Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender is designed with portability in mind. The 20-ounce sports bottle is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great option for those who want to take their healthy drinks on the go. Whether you're heading to the gym, packing a lunch for work, or simply running errands, this blender allows you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. The spill-proof lid adds another layer of convenience, ensuring that your drink stays safely contained in the bottle during your travels. No more worrying about leaks or spills in your bag. Oster MyBlend Plus has you covered. Another convenient feature is the dishwasher-safe components. After you've finished your smoothie, simply remove the blade and toss the bottle, lid, and blade into the dishwasher. This makes cleanup quick and easy, allowing you to focus on the rest of your day without spending time scrubbing your blender. The Oster MyBlend Plus personal blender comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. This warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring that your blender will perform reliably for years to come. Final verdict. The Oster MyBlend Plus Personal Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact, portable, and powerful blender that delivers consistent results. Its 500-watt motor, durable stainless steel blade, and one-touch functionality make it easy to create delicious smoothies, shakes, and more in just a matter of seconds. The portability of the 20-ounce sports bottle, combined with the spill-proof lid and dishwasher-safe components, makes it a convenient option for those with a busy lifestyle. While the one-speed functionality may not offer as much control as some users would like, the overall performance and ease of use of the MyBlend Plus make it a standout product in the personal blender category. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient blender that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, the Oster MyBlend Plus Personal Blender is definitely worth considering. You enjoyed this review? Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.